This is the classic treadmill by ProForm. We love this one because it is a full-fledged treadmill. It's not some little flimsy treadmill that you just, fold up and put under your bed. This thing requires space, of course, but it will not disappoint. It packs a punch. It is extremely comfortable because of the extra cushioning that it also has. So it does have kind of like that bounce, which is really nice for your knees and your hips. But I love the fact that it does provide you a lot of information back to you while you're running or walking. It gives you a lot of information with your calorie output, but also, the BPMs, your heart rate, the this, the that. It gives you an entire, basically, coach that is alongside with you throughout your journey, throughout your exercising journey. So it's a really nice machine. As a little feature, they do have the full stop. So basically, if you want to grab on and if you have, I don't know, if you fall off or if you want to full stop, you can actually get a full stop and not just a cool down kind of stop. It does have incline, which is a great thing because not a lot of the lower models would have incline. This does have incline to make your workout even harder. It's a beautiful machine. Yeah, we love it. It's exactly what you would expect from a full-fledged, proper professional treadmill. It's awesome.